Hi folks, this is Mike Schrampke with Larry Stovesand Equipment, the South's largest selling Kioti dealer. This is me. Hello. And I thought I'd give you a little bit of a walk around on the CK3510 with a backhoe. This one is a hydrostat. It's available in a 9-speed manual or a 3-range hydrostat. The quick attach loader comes off with just 2 pins. Has its own kickstands to support it. One single lever drops the bucket. 66-inch bucket that lifts 1,835 pounds. This tractor has agricultural type tires. You can also get industrial tires. And this one has the really fabulous KB2475L backhoe. Has an 18-inch bucket. They're available from 9 to 36-inch buckets. They're interchangeable if you need more than one. Probably the coolest thing about this backhoe is the way it mounts. There are 2 brass pins right there that would, to dismount this machine, you would pull those 2 pins, disconnect the 2 hydraulic lines, and by the way, this tractor has 4 hydraulic ports. And then you pull away, and this large frame rail right here stays with the backhoe. It clips in the front when you rehook it up, and then you just drop the 2 pins in the back. This backhoe and this frame system allow the weight and the stress of the backhoe to not just be connected to the back of the tractor, but all the way up almost to the front axle. Great design, allows a heck of a reach. This thing will reach out, as you can see, over 9 feet. It'll reach down 7.5 feet. Standard backhoe controls. The outriggers, we equipped this one with dirt pads. On the hydrostat, side-by-side pedals, not that goofy rocker thing that some companies, Kubota, put on. Much more convenient. The 2 hydraulic controls right here. The range selector, low, medium, and high for the transmission. A nearly flat load floor. And just a beast of a tractor. This is the CK3510 hydrostat Kioti tractor with a KL4010 loader. Again, tops in its class, 1,835 pound lift on the loader. And the remarkably cool KB2475L backhoe. This is a monster of a machine in a large frame compact setting. Folks, come take a look at all of our Kioti tractors. There's a big one right there, 115 horsepower, but we've got tractors, we've got packages, lots of cab tractors, and about 40 more in the back. I keep about 70 or 80 tractors in stock at all times, and we sell a bundle of them. Thanks for watching the video. Larry Stovesand Equipment. You can see my website at kiotesales.com. My name's Mike Schrampke. Phone number is 615-956-0334. Thank you for watching the video.